go back to the handle again, edit part, select the sketch, edit sketch, delete this dimension, select smart dimension from this center line to this line here and type 6.50. Next sketch, edit component to exit the component, go back to the equations, double click on this handle, add equation, select 6.5, global variable, select length, times parenthesis 6.50 divided by 125. And this equation will modify existing equation D6 handle. No. Escape. Equations again. Find the handle D6 sketch 1. Highlight it. Delete. Delete it. Delete the equation. We delete something else. Add equation. Double click on this handle. Add equation. Select 6.5. Global variable. Select length. Times parenthesis 6.5 divided by 120. Enter. This is the equation that we deleted. Global variable, select length, times parenthesis 2 divided by 125. Enter. Okay. Rebuild. Select save. Select the handle, hide component, select the threaded rod, select hide component, select this component, right body, select change transparency, go to equations, double click, right, add equation, select this value here, global variable, select length, times parenthesis 25 divided by 125, add equation, select this dimension, global variable, select width, times parenthesis 25 divided by 50. Enter. Select OK. Rebuild. Bring the handle and the rod thread back. Select the right body, change transparency, equations. Change this to 150. Okay, rebuild. As you can see, now it's fixed.